No matter the Halloween party theme, cupcakes are always a favorite treat. To scare some smiles up for your little ones, I'm showing you 3 surprisingly easy Halloween cupcake ideas that you can make along with your kids, which are dreadfully delicious. So head over to your dungeon and come bake with me. First up, brain cupcakes. Let's start with frosting that's been colored with a drop of light pink and one of ivory for your brain. Make a mound of brain batter in a circular pattern, and feel free to use a lot. Brain batter is yummy. Then pipe 2 lines down the middle to separate left and right brain. Then pipe the squiggles. Did you know they're called gyri and sulky? I looked that up. The right side of the brain is the creative part. That's where my baking power comes from. They're shockingly smart. Next, we have mummy cupcakes. These are super easy. Start with your cupcake and pipe a thin layer of white frosting in the top middle area. Then add eyes. I made mine using melted white and dark chocolate. Using a 150 line tip or a leaf tip, make random lines from one side of the cupcake to the other for mummy bandages. Just be careful not to pipe over the little guy's eyes. He wants to see where all the fun is at. These will look great at your haunted house. Last up, death rose cupcakes. For this, you will need a leaf tip. I'm using a number 103 tip. Fill your piping bag with black icing on one side and red on the other. To achieve deeper color frosting, check out my video on how to make your frosting colors more vivid with a secret trick. With the wider end on the bottom, pipe a mound in the center of the cupcake, twirling it with your other hand. This will create your rosebud. See it in the center? Now, circle the bud, piping strokes from the bottom up, across, and down. You want each petal to have an arc, kind of like a rainbow. Depending on how you put frosting in the piping bag will determine if you get more red or black out first. Each rose tends to be slightly different, and I love that. This one came out mainly black with streaks of red, very haunting. Continue piping around until your death rose has bloomed. These make me horrifically happy. I hope you had a frighteningly fun time making Halloween cupcakes with me. Subscribe now for your next adventure with the Princess Baker. Happy Halloween!